I'm Dr. Mike DeSousa, and I serve as the trombone instructor here at Kennesaw State University. Today I will be performing both the GMEA All-District and All-State Etudes on tenor and bass trombones. I hope you enjoy them. If you're a student preparing these etudes for an upcoming audition, I'd personally like to invite you to our Kennesaw State University All-State Bootcamp, which is happening right here on our campus Saturday, November 9th. We'll have sessions for all levels for All-State Etudes, whether you're in middle school or either of the high school levels. For more information on that, check the link in the description below. Here are a few things to think about as you practice this etude. First off, be sure to make a clear difference between your slurred notes, tenuto notes, and accented notes. We want to highlight all of the articulation contrast in this etude. Also, to help with the trickier rhythms in the second half of the etude, try your best to feel the different rhythmic subdivisions. For example, trying to feel 16th notes in measure 12 and triplet eighth notes in measure 15. Finally, as this is a lyrical etude, make sure to hold each note full value and move your slide very quickly. This will help eliminate any glissandos that might sneak into your playing. Happy practicing! Here are a few concepts to think about as you practice this etude. First off, as this is a technical etude, we want to keep our tempo as steady as possible. Be sure to practice with a metronome and record yourself if possible to check your tempo. Also, although many of the notes are accented, try not to play too heavy, especially in the louder sections. Accented articulations often tend to get too heavy and bog down our tempo, which is one of the most important aspects of this etude. Lastly, there are many different dynamic markings in this etude, and we want to make sure to show off the contrast. Make sure to start with a confident forte sound at the beginning, and then be sure to show a clear decrescendo down to a mezzo piano dynamic in measure 8. This contrast will help keep the etude engaging to the audience. Happy practicing! I hope you found this video helpful in your all-state audition preparation. Again, let me remind you to check the links in the description below for more information on our KSU Brass All-State Bootcamp, as well as more information on the trombone studio here at Kennesaw State University. Thanks again for watching, and go Owls!